Hello children, today I am going to explain you balancing of chemical equation by heat and trial method, which will take following step. Step number 1, count the number of times an element occur on each side. Step number 2, element with the least frequency of occurrence is balanced first. Number 3, when two or more elements have the same frequency, means they balance, then the metallic element is balanced. This I will explain with the help of equation number 1, that is arsenic oxide when react with stannous chloride and HCl, it gives stannic chloride, arsenic and water. First of all, first step we have to follow, that is with that we will do with the help of making a chart, element, reactant side and product side. Okay. So now you are able to see that arsenic, stannum, chlorine, hydrogen and oxygen, they are having this kind of atomic structure in reactant side and this kind of atom representation in product side. Now step number 2, to equalize arsenic and oxygen, we will multiply arsenic by 2 and water by 3. So reaction will be S2O3 plus SnCl2 plus HCl give SnCl4, 2As and 3H2. Now step number 3, to equalize hydrogen, multiply HCl by 6. Like AS2O3, SnCl2, 6HCl, SnCl4, 2As, 3H2O. Now last step, multiply SnCl2 and SnCl4 both by 3 to multiply chlorine atom. So it will be AS2O3, 3 SnCl2 plus 6HCl give 3 SnCl4, 2As and 3H2O. So in this way you will see that each element, number of atom of each element will balance in both the sides. So equation is balanced. Now another example I want to tell you, that is iron when reacted with water, it gives iron oxide, that is ferric oxide and hydrogen. Step number 1, to count the number of atoms of each element in each side, we are making chart. 3 elements are there, that is iron, hydrogen and oxygen. Reactant side, product side. Now step number 2, to balance iron, multiply iron with 2 on LH side. 2 Fe plus 3H2 gives Fe2O3 and H2. Step number 3, to balance oxygen atom on the LHS, write 3 before water. So it will be 2 Fe plus 3H2O, Fe2O3 plus H2. Step number 4, to equalize hydrogen, multiply hydrogen by 3 on RHS. So it will be 2 Fe plus 3H2, Fe2O3 plus 3H2. Reaction balance. The last example is potassium dichromate react with HCl, gives KCl, CrCl3, H2O and chlorine gas. Now here I am not going to make chart. Yeah, I am going to start with the oxygen because oxygen is present in least with the least frequency. So step number 1, to equalize oxygen, multiply H2O by 7 on RHS. K2Cr2 7 HCl gives KCl, CrCl3 7 H2O Cl2. Now when you have balanced oxygen, so after that we have to balance hydrogen to 7 to the 14. Step number 2, to equalize hydrogen, multiply HCl by 14. So it will be K2Cr2 7 plus 14 HCl gives KCl, CrCl3 plus 7 H2O plus chlorine. Now we have to balance potassium and chromium. So for that, to equalize potassium and chromium, multiply with KCl and CrCl3 by 2 and chlorine by 3 to balance chlorine atom. So K2Cr2 7 plus 14 HCl gives 2 KCl, 2 CrCl3, 7 H2O and chlorine atom. So in this way 3 Cl2. In this way we have balanced chlorine atom, potassium atom and chromium. So hope you understand this module. I am saying bye for the next module.